Okay, this recording is for tutorial for updating the Lake Water Filters website using WordPress and Beaver Builder. So let's go over to the dashboard first here. And you'll notice just a couple things here. I guess I'll go over first about about WordPress. So the main things in WordPress are the pages and the posts. Media is like pictures and stuff. So pages we've got here. Those are the website pages, and posts are for blogging. So they're like articles in a newspaper. And then if we look at under appearance and we see menus, we've got a menu here that has whatever pages we want to be in the menu. So I got home page, order, privacy policy, comments, about, blog is a subpage under about. It's actually the posts page, and then contact us. So you can have more pages exist than are in the menu, and they could just kind of be like inaccessible if they're not in the menu. So if we look at the website, this is the menu up here, and that's each one of these is a page. For example, there's the order page. All right, let's go back again to the dashboard. And so pages and posts, it's kind of the main two things. If you look under appearance, you've got different themes, for one thing. And we just use one theme here called Beaver Builder. And this is a child theme. The active one is the main. No, the active one is the child theme, which works under this theme. And the reason for splitting this up is so you can customize them. So that's all we need is the Beaver Builder theme. We don't need any other themes because we have a very customizable theme. All right, and let's see what else here. Plugins. Plugins are like extra pieces of software that you can add to the WordPress website. So one of the extra things is the Beaver Builder plugin, which gives us an easier way to edit things. And I'll show you that. We've got a contact form and some other things. All right, so you don't really have to worry about plugins. You don't really have to go into any of this for the routine type updates and changes. All right, so once you're logged in, you can go back to the front of the site then, which is here, or any page that's not in the dashboard. And if you want to change something here that's not in the header and not in the footer, and the footer is way down here, then you just click Beaver Builder. You don't click Edit Page. If you've gone into Beaver Builder on a page, it kind of overtakes the Edit Page part for the most part. So you don't really use Edit Page to change the contents of the page. We use Beaver Builder, so you click that, wait for it to refresh, and then you'll notice now when you move your cursor, it highlights things over the stuff your cursor is on. Okay, so like if we click here, this is a heading, so that's a heading module, and you can move this little pop-up window around. And then we've got a module here. This is a text editor module, and there's your text. So whatever you change here will change over here, and then you would click Save. So for example, I could type something here, and you can see it over here on the page itself, and then you could click Save. Okay, but I don't want to save that. I can hit Cancel here too. These are video modules. So all you do is grab the embed code from a YouTube video and paste it in here, and then you've got a YouTube video. These are buttons. That's a button module. And these are just picture modules, or oh, that's a gallery module actually that holds multiple pictures. And this is these are posts down here for blogging. So if you wanted to add a module that didn't yet exist on the page, you could click this plus button over here, and you could drag stuff over. For example, I could drag a photo over, and then I could select a photo, and I could click Save. Okay, and there's the photo I just added. And then when I'm done editing the page, I click Done and Publish. Okay, but I don't want to save this, so I'm going to take this photo out again. And whenever you're done editing a page, you would click Done and Publish like that. All right, now if you want to change the header, we have to go into this Customize thing here. And this has most of the stuff in here, or all of it probably, is control over the entire website. It's not just a specific page. So if we go to General, for example, and then go to Text, we can see our fonts. If you want to change the font to something else, color of the font, font size. Okay. If you want to change, let's see, background color, which we probably don't want to. We probably want to keep that consistent. That looks like it's a light gray. If we want to change the logo, go to Header, Header Logo. Right now I'm just using text, as you can see up there. But you can change that to an image, and then select your image and upload it, and put that in both of these here. Okay. And you can play around with that, and you can change where the logo appears. It's on the left or right. Background colors, foreground colors, all kinds of stuff. If you wanted to have the menu on the same page as the logo, you can do that. That's all within here. You can look around in there. I don't want this video to get too long here. Okay, and then when you're done, you click Publish. Okay, so I'm just going to get out of this and say I don't want to change anything. All right, I hope this helps a little bit, and I can do more later. It looks like we're already getting to be 7 minutes, so let me know if you need some more help.